Employee relations and engagement. Employee rights and responsibilities. In every organization, it is crucial for both employees and employers to understand and uphold employee rights and responsibilities. This ensures a positive working environment, fair treatment, and the well-being of everyone involved. In this tutorial, we will explore the various aspects of employee rights and responsibilities in the context of employee relations and engagement. 1. Employment contracts. An employment contract is a legal agreement between an employer and an employee, specifying the terms and conditions of the employment relationship. It outlines the job description, working hours, compensation, benefits, and other relevant details. Employees have the right to be provided with a written contract upon starting a new job. It is essential to read and understand the contract before signing it. 2. Equal opportunity. Employees have the right to be treated fairly and equally, regardless of their race, nationality, gender, age, religion, sexual orientation, or any other protected characteristic. Employers are responsible for ensuring equal opportunities in recruitment, promotions, training, and other employment-related decisions. Discrimination or harassment based on any protected characteristic is strictly prohibited. 3. Health and safety. Employees have the right to work in a safe and healthy environment. Employers must provide appropriate safety training, protective equipment, and maintain hazard-free workplaces. It is the responsibility of employees to follow safety protocols, report any potential hazards, and actively participate in maintaining a safe working environment. 4. Fair compensation. Employees have the right to receive fair compensation for their work. This includes payment of wages or salary as per the agreed terms and conditions, timely payment, and adherence to minimum wage laws. Employers should provide clear information about the payment structure, deductions, and benefits, including overtime pay and leave entitlements. 5. Leave entitlements. Employees have the right to take time off work for various reasons. This includes annual leave, sick leave, maternity or paternity leave, and other legally mandated leave entitlements. Employers should have policies in place outlining the procedures for taking leave, eligibility criteria, and any required documentation. Employees are responsible for informing their employers in advance and following the prescribed leave procedures. 6. Privacy and confidentiality. Employees have the right to privacy and confidentiality in the workplace. Employers should respect an employee's personal information, keep it secure, and only gather information relevant to the employment relationship. Employees, on the other hand, have a responsibility to handle confidential information with care and not disclose it to unauthorized individuals. 7. Grievance procedures. Employees have the right to raise concerns or complaints about their working conditions or treatment. Employers should have effective grievance procedures in place to address and resolve such issues promptly and impartially. Employees are responsible for following the designated grievance procedures and providing accurate information regarding their concerns. 8. Training and development. Employees have the right to receive adequate training and development opportunities to enhance their skills and abilities. Employers should provide access to relevant training programs, workshops, and resources to support employees' professional growth. Employees have a responsibility to actively participate in training and development activities and apply the knowledge gained in their job roles. 9. Ethical conduct. Employees should exhibit ethical behavior and adhere to their employer's code of conduct. This includes honesty, integrity, respect for colleagues, customers, and clients, and maintaining professional relationships. Employers should set clear expectations and provide guidance on ethical conduct in the workplace. 10. Termination and redundancy. Employees have certain rights and entitlements in the event of termination or redundancy. Employers should follow legal procedures and provide notice or compensation as required by employment laws. Employees should understand their rights and responsibilities in such situations and seek legal advice if necessary. In conclusion, understanding and upholding employee rights and responsibilities is crucial for maintaining positive employee relations and engagement. Employers must ensure fairness, equal opportunities, and a safe working environment, while employees should fulfill their duties and act ethically. By fostering a culture of mutual respect and compliance with employment laws, organizations can create an environment where both employers and employees thrive. Workplace diversity and inclusion. Diversity and inclusion in the workplace are crucial for fostering a positive and productive environment. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of workplace diversity and inclusion and discuss the importance of these values in the context of employee relations and engagement. Understanding workplace diversity. Workplace diversity refers to the presence of employees from different backgrounds, cultures, races, religions, ages, genders, abilities, and sexual orientations. It goes beyond mere representation by recognizing and valuing the unique perspectives and experiences of each individual. Benefits of workplace diversity. 1. Increased creativity and innovation. Diverse teams bring together different ideas and viewpoints, leading to more innovative solutions to problems. 2. Enhanced decision-making. A diverse workforce brings a wider range of expertise and experiences to the decision-making process, resulting in more well-rounded and informed decisions. 3. Improved problem-solving. Different perspectives enable teams to consider a multitude of angles when addressing issues, leading to more comprehensive problem-solving. 4. Increased adaptability. Employees from diverse backgrounds often have a wider range of skills and abilities, making them more adaptable to changing circumstances and challenges. 5. Attraction and retention of top talent. Demonstrating a commitment to diversity and inclusion can help attract and retain talented individuals who value inclusivity in the workplace. Understanding workplace inclusion. Workplace inclusion refers to creating an environment where all employees feel valued, respected, and included, regardless of their differences. It involves fostering a sense of belonging and ensuring equitable access to opportunities for everyone. Benefits of workplace inclusion. 1. Increased employee engagement. Inclusive workplaces allow employees to feel appreciated and heard, enhancing their engagement and commitment to their work. 2. Higher productivity. When employees feel valued and included, they are more likely to be motivated and dedicated to their tasks, leading to increased productivity. 3. Enhanced collaboration. Inclusive environments encourage open communication and collaboration among team members, fostering a supportive and cohesive work culture. 4. Reduced conflicts and misunderstandings. By promoting understanding and respect, inclusive workplaces can help minimize conflicts and misunderstandings that may arise due to differences. 5. Improved employee well-being. Inclusive workplaces prioritize the well-being of all employees, recognizing the importance of work-life balance and supporting their mental and physical health. Promoting workplace diversity and inclusion. 1. Embrace diverse hiring practices. Implement strategies to attract a diverse pool of candidates, including reaching out to underrepresented groups and using unbiased selection processes. 2. Provide diversity and inclusion training. Offer training programs that educate employees on the importance of diversity and inclusion and provide tools for creating an inclusive work environment. 3. Foster open communication. Encourage open and respectful communication among employees, allowing them to share their perspectives and experiences without fear of judgment or discrimination. 4. Establish inclusive policies and practices. Review and revise workplace policies to ensure they promote fairness, equal opportunity, and support for diverse employees. 5. Celebrate diversity. Organize events and initiatives that celebrate different cultures, traditions, and values, fostering a sense of belonging and appreciation for diversity. In conclusion, workplace diversity and inclusion are essential values in employee relations and engagement. By embracing diversity and creating an inclusive environment, organizations can reap numerous benefits, including increased innovation, improved decision-making, higher productivity, and enhanced employee well-being. Employee engagement strategies. 1. Importance of employee engagement. Discuss the significance of employee engagement in organizations. Explain how engaged employees are more productive, satisfied, and committed. Highlight the positive impact on employee retention and overall morale. 2. Creating a positive work environment. Foster a culture of trust, transparency, and open communication. Encourage collaboration and teamwork among employees. Promote work-life balance and flexible policies. Recognize and reward outstanding performance. 3. Effective leadership and management practices. Train managers to be effective leaders who inspire and motivate their team. Encourage managers to provide regular feedback and support for personal development. Foster an inclusive environment where everyone's contributions are valued. Set clear expectations and provide opportunities for growth and advancement. 4. Employee development and growth opportunities. Offer training and development programs to enhance skills and knowledge. Provide mentoring and coaching opportunities for career growth. Support employees in pursuing their educational and professional goals. Create clear career paths and provide opportunities for promotion within the organization. 5. Employee recognition and appreciation. Implement a formal recognition program to acknowledge and appreciate employee efforts. Celebrate milestones and achievements. Offer both monetary and non-monetary rewards such as bonuses, time off, or public acknowledgement. Regularly show appreciation through simple gestures like thank you emails or notes. 6. Empowerment and autonomy. Delegate responsibility and decision-making authority to employees. Encourage employees to take ownership of their work and feel accountable for the results. Provide a supportive framework to allow employees to take risks and learn from their mistakes. Offer opportunities for employees to contribute their ideas and suggestions. 7. Communication and feedback channels. Establish regular communication channels to keep employees informed about company updates. Provide opportunities for employees to give feedback and share ideas. Encourage open and honest communication throughout the organization. Actively listen to employee concerns and address them promptly. 8. Team building and social activities. Organize team building activities and social events to foster camaraderie. Encourage cross-departmental collaboration and interaction. Create opportunities for employees to connect on a personal level. Support employee-led initiatives and clubs. 9. Work-life balance support. Offer flexible working hours and remote work options. Provide resources and support for stress management and mental well-being. Encourage employees to take regular breaks and vacations. Foster a healthy work-life balance by promoting self-care and personal time. 10. Continuous improvement and feedback loops. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of employee engagement strategies. Seek feedback from employees through surveys, focus groups, or suggestion boxes. Use feedback to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Communicate changes and improvements to employees. Remember, employee engagement strategies are not one-size-fits-all. It is essential to listen to the unique needs and preferences of your employees and adapt the strategies accordingly. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your efforts and make adjustments to ensure ongoing engagement and satisfaction. Managing employee grievances. Employee grievances refer to the complaints or concerns raised by employees regarding their work, working conditions, colleagues, or the organization as a whole. It is essential for organizations to have an effective grievance management process in place to ensure the concerns and issues of employees are acknowledged, addressed, and resolved in a fair and timely manner. This tutorial aims to provide a detailed guide on managing employee grievances in relation to the main topic of employee relations and engagement. 1. Establishing a grievance management policy. Start by creating a comprehensive grievance management policy that outlines the objective, scope, and process for addressing employee grievances. Ensure that the policy aligns with the organization's values, culture, and legal requirements. Clearly define what constitutes a grievance and provide examples to help employees understand when and how to raise concerns. Specify the channels and methods through which employees can report grievances, such as through a designated email, an online platform, or in-person meetings. Communicate the policy to all employees, ensuring they understand their rights and responsibilities in the grievance management process. 2. Creating a safe and trusting environment. Foster a culture that encourages open communication, trust, and transparency. Employees should feel comfortable expressing their concerns without fear of retaliation. Train managers and supervisors on active listening skills empathy, and conflict resolution techniques. This will enable them to handle grievances effectively and professionally. Implement anonymous reporting mechanisms to encourage employees to come forward with their concerns without the fear of being identified. 3. Providing multiple channels for reporting. Offer various channels through which employees can report grievances, such as direct supervisor-manager, human resources department, or a designated grievance officer. Ensure that employees have access to these reporting channels, regardless of their position or department within the organization. Communicate the availability and accessibility of these channels to employees regularly, ensuring they are aware of the options they have for reporting grievances. 4. Recording and documenting. Maintain a systematic and confidential record-keeping system to document all grievances reported. Designate a secure location or software system to store these records, ensuring sensitive information remains confidential. Clearly document the details of the grievance, including dates, times, parties involved, and any actions taken to resolve the complaint. This documentation will be essential for tracking the progress of grievances and analyzing trends. 5. Investigating and resolving grievances. Assign a neutral party, such as a human resources representative or an external investigator, to investigate the grievance objectively. Conduct a thorough investigation by gathering all relevant facts and interviewing all involved parties. Ensure confidentiality during the process to protect the privacy of everyone involved. Once the investigation is complete, evaluate the findings and identify potential solutions or actions to address the grievance. Communicate the outcome of the investigation to the employee who reported the grievance and, if applicable, to other employees involved. Take appropriate steps to resolve the issue or address the concern in a fair and timely manner, such as coaching, training, mediation, or disciplinary actions if necessary. 6. Reviewing and analyzing. Regularly review and analyze the grievances received to identify any patterns, trends, or systemic issues within the organization. Use the findings to improve policies, procedures, training programs, and the overall work environment to prevent recurring grievances. Seek feedback from employees on the effectiveness of the grievance management process and make continuous improvements based on their input. 7. Promoting employee feedback and engagement. Encourage employees to provide feedback and suggestions on how to enhance the grievance management process. Conduct employee engagement surveys to gauge overall satisfaction and perceptions of the grievance management process. Actively involve employees in the development and review of the grievance management policy to ensure it addresses their needs and concerns. Remember, managing employee grievances effectively is crucial for maintaining a healthy work environment, ensuring employee engagement, and fostering positive employee relations. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, organizations can establish a robust grievance management system that addresses employee concerns promptly and fairly. Employee wellness and work-life balance. Employee wellness and work-life balance are crucial aspects of employee relations and engagement. Promoting employee wellness and supporting work-life balance can have a significant impact on employee satisfaction, productivity, and overall well-being. In this tutorial, we will explore the importance of employee wellness and work-life balance, as well as strategies and practices that organizations can implement to facilitate a healthy work environment. Understanding employee wellness. Employee wellness refers to the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of employees. By prioritizing employee wellness, organizations can create a positive work culture and improve overall job satisfaction. When employees are in good health and have a balanced lifestyle, they are more likely to be engaged, motivated, and productive. Importance of work-life balance. Work-life balance is the ability to effectively manage the demands of work and personal life. Achieving work-life balance is essential as it helps employees maintain good mental health, reduces stress, and improves overall job satisfaction. When employees can fulfill their personal commitments and responsibilities outside of work, they are more likely to be happy, motivated, and dedicated to their jobs. Strategies for promoting employee wellness and work-life balance. 1. Flexible work arrangements. Organizations can implement flexible work arrangements, such as flexible schedules, remote work options, or compressed work weeks. These arrangements allow employees to have more control over their work hours and provide them with the flexibility to attend to personal commitments. 2. Encouraging time off. Encourage employees to take regular vacations, personal days, and breaks. Ensure that they feel supported and empowered to disconnect from work and recharge. Establishing a culture that values time off helps prevent burnout and promotes a healthy work-life balance. 3. Employee Assistance Programs, EAPs. Offer employee assistance programs that provide confidential counseling services, resources for work-life support, and tools to manage stress or personal issues. EAPs can help employees cope with personal challenges and maintain mental well-being. 4. Health and wellness initiatives. Implement wellness programs that promote physical activity, healthy eating, and stress management. Organize activities such as yoga or mindfulness sessions, provide healthy snack options, and offer free or subsidized gym memberships. These initiatives encourage employees to prioritize their well-being and maintain a healthy lifestyle. 5. Clear communication and expectations. Foster a culture of open communication and set clear expectations regarding work responsibilities, deadlines, and work hours. This clarity allows employees to plan their personal time effectively and reduces stress related to balancing work and personal life. 6. Supportive leadership. Train leaders and managers to be supportive of their employees' work-life balance needs. Encourage leaders to lead by example and prioritize their own work-life balance. When leaders demonstrate a healthy work-life balance, it sets a positive example for the rest of the organization. 7. Workload management. Consistently assess and manage employee workloads to prevent excessive stress and workload imbalance. Distribute tasks and responsibilities evenly, provide adequate resources, and encourage teamwork and collaboration to support employees in accomplishing their tasks effectively. 8. Recognition and rewards. Recognize and reward employees for their hard work and achievements. Acknowledging their contributions and showing appreciation helps create a positive work environment and enhances work-life balance by fostering a sense of job satisfaction and fulfillment. In conclusion, employee wellness and work-life balance are crucial for maintaining a healthy and engaged workforce. By implementing strategies that prioritize employee well-being and support work-life balance, organizations can create a positive work culture, enhance job satisfaction, and improve productivity. It is essential for organizations to regularly assess and adapt their practices to ensure employees have the resources and support needed to lead fulfilled personal and professional lives.